In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to apply for an employer identification number on the IRS website. So first, you have to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for needing an EIN before applying. You can find the details on the IRS website. Now let's look at the application methods. So the first one is online, which is the recommended method. This is the fastest and easiest method with instant issuance upon verification. But you need a valid taxpayer identification number of the responsible party. So you're gonna go to the IRS EIN online application page, and here, as you can see in the online option, this link is right here. So you're just gonna right click, open the link in the new tab, and it's gonna redirect you to the form where you can apply for it. Now, the second option is by fax. You're gonna download and complete form SS4, which is right here, form SS4. You can just right click and open it up, and then fax the completed form to the appropriate fax number listed on the form's instructions. Now, expect processing to take at least 4 business days. The next one is by mail. Download and complete the form SS4, which is right here, SS4, and then mail the completed form with all required documents to the address listed on the form's instructions. So if the instructions are right here. And then processing by mail takes approximately 7 weeks. Now the last one is by phone. This method is generally not recommended due to longer processing times, but you can still go ahead and call the IRS Business and Specialty Tax Line at 1-800 829 and 4933. So you can call them at this number, but only call if you're unable to apply online, by fax, or by email. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.